Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to skip Raid Shadow Legends tutorial, so just stick by until the end of this video. So all we need to do first of all is just go and download the Raid Shadow Legend on your phone, as you can see from here. So of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then of course, if you want to play like Raid Shadow Legend on your PC, if you want to restore your account, if you want to create a new account or reset your progress on your account, you'll find everything on this channel, so just go check it out. So let's just go back here to Google. So as you can see, many people are talking about this, so let's just go here to some Reddit posts. As you can see, like here someone is begging to put a dame skip tutorial button because it's actually not existing for the moment. So that's the first thing. And here are people just actually complaining that they have to go through all the tutorial again and again because maybe you already have an account and you want to create a new one, so you will have to go through all the boring steps of the tutorial again and again. So let me just go here to the Plarium, of course, website, which is the main company who makes actually Raid Shadow Legends. So as you can see, and their support here, someone is asking how to skip the tutorial when we change the account. So of course I would like to change accounts, but each time I have to do the tutorial, please tell me how to access quickly to another account. So of course, as you can see, one people asked him and he just tell them hi, great, because for now there's no button of skipping tutorial, and of course that will be the last one. And here, as you can see, captains, that's from the official website. You can complete the captain tasks at any time you choose, so they are here just telling you can I skip tutorials, and they are telling you is just to go and do the steps of the tutorial, and that means you will not be able to skip tutorial on Raid Shadow Legends. So all we need to do, just go through this tutorial step by step. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.